my understanding, there are very many stakeholders involved in selling it. Who would you name? Who is your customer? Like, who are the main stakeholders?
Yeah. It can be many types of people. It can be either if we receive an inquiry from directly a plant owner, really like, here we are going to see a farmer, basically.
Yeah, I realize that, yeah.
We're going to see a farmer. So either it can be this way, or it can be like engine supplier that wishes to have a better efficiency on his product, and thanks to our solutions he can improve the overall efficiency of his systems. It can really be like any type of supplier that will have systems that are implemented and where there is a lot of waste heat that can be reproducible. So like typically,
but is it usually the plant owner, the landowner, or the industry owner?
At the start it was more the plant owner, because the big players of the market, they didn't trust us, because basically we didn't have any reference. So they were like, oh, okay, you do some heat power, it seems interesting, but let's wait and see. And now we've earned some big references, especially in France on the biogas market, and now we are seen like as a very serious player, and we can touch more deeply the big providers of biogas plants, for example, in France, instead of having just the biogas plant owner. So, but at the moment we are touching more and more the big energy suppliers, especially in France. There are like EDF, Veolia, and stuff like that. They are really big, and we are getting closer and closer to them, because generally, when we operate a biogas plant, finally, when we come back to it, like for example, I was in Total on Monday, and I was thinking about it, and so we have an installation on a landfill gas plant. And this plant finally is owned by Total. So like it's a subsidy of a subsidy of a subsidy, and finally it's Total that is in charge of it. So I was telling my contacts, we were just seeing each other to present the technology, and I was saying, you are already our customers. But it's getting bigger and bigger for us at the moment, and so we are able now to touch more and more like big energy suppliers. And at the start of Enogia, as we didn't have like a product standardization, it was more like custom projects and stuff like that. It was difficult to reach like big players, because big players generally, they don't want just one pilot project. They want like, okay, this product is very interesting, I want it for like 50 or 50.